Because are working hard this year. They are not playing, including their daughter-in-law, obviously the one and only Terelo. I did not see this one coming. I thought Terelo she's gonna give up, but anyway, it seems like Terelo she's here to stay. I do have some good news and bad news. Obviously, I'm gonna start with the good news. Izanganisa's term has been renewed for third season, guys. The new season premiere on 25 May 2025 on Mzansi Magic. The bad news for those who don't like Umpumelelo, guys, I guess you have to buy a Panado, a Grandpa energy drink, because guys, Umpumelelo is going to be on our screen the whole year. So we'll have the same cast members excluding Vuyokazi. So people, guys, are saying Oguti, they must never use the Vuyokazi for content. I hope she will not allow them to use her as their content. Obviously, guys, I'm not gonna lie, Vuyokazi do bring numbers. We still remember when we were watching the last season, September season 2, Vuyokazi was trending every day. But unfortunately, guys, that one is not gonna happen, because they still need to tell us what happened between Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo. They still need to talk about the kids. There's a lot of things that will include Vuyokazi, especially Terelo. She has to tell us ukuthi ufila kanjani ukuba umamkhulu Mjolo right now, because she is the main girlfriend. Some people don't understand ukuthi why Terelo she's there as a girlfriend, because Lena is Nganisa's temple. Terelo she's just a girlfriend. So even if you say they must not include Vuyokazi, unfortunately, let me tell you, Vuyokazi, she must be included, guys. Maybe they will include her from episode 1 to episode 5, and then after that they're gonna continue with their life, doing whatever they are doing. They're gonna show us ukuthi baphila kanjani impilo yabo after life with Vuyokazi, guys. Let's all be honest, without Mpumelelo and his girlfriend, I mean, the show is nothing without them. I do like Abongwe and Flair and Snare, but I feel like Mpumelelo and his girlfriend, they do bring drama to the show, especially right now. September season 3, it is coming back. We want to know what happened between Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi, even though the Vuyokazi's fans, they don't like people talking about Vuyokazi, which I don't understand. Yes, she did mention on her YouTube channel that she's not coming back on that reality show, but at the end of the day, they don't have a choice. They will talk about him. So maybe Mpumelelo, she will get another girlfriend. You never know. Maybe something. Maybe Terelo, she's the new wife. There will be something that is happening. We don't know. We can't wait to see. Isn't that September season 3? As for Snake, guys, I do love Snake, but I feel like with Snake, she's emotionally, guys. As for Lwandle, I don't think Lwandle do bring drama to the show, guys. I would just say she's just an extra. He's just an extra member, guys. As for Lwandle, I think this time we need to open up. We need to know him. Obviously, we need to know his girlfriend. Like, I feel like Lwandle, guys, is pretending to be a pastor. Mpumelelo has been doing everything, guys. We are tired of Mpumelelo this season. I want to see Lwandle, guys. I want to see Abongwe. I want to see Enhle. I feel like I'm interested Lwandle, guys, to see ukuthi hayibo Lwandle, guys, because he was trending a few months ago. There was a lady who came out to say that she was pregnant. There was this other girl who claimed to be Lwandle's girlfriend. Obviously, Lwandle unayo drama, so he must bring the drama to the show. Anyway, guys, let's tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.